proactive English practice.
Good morning. Wake up.
5 more minutes.
No, it's already 7.
Really? I feel so tired.
You have work today, remember?
Oh, right. I forgot.
Come on, get up and take a shower.
Okay. I'm getting up.
I made coffee for you.
You're the best. Thank you.
What do you want for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes?
We don't have milk.
Oh no. What can we eat?
We have eggs and bread.
Great. Let's make eggs and toast.
I'll cook the eggs.
I'll toast the bread.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
Okay.
Where is my phone?
Is it on the couch?
No, it's not there.
Look in the bathroom.
Oh, I found it. On the counter.
You lose it every day.
I know.
Breakfast is ready.
Thanks. I'm so hungry.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop?
Yes, it is.
Which bus goes downtown?
Bus number 23.
When does it come?
Every 15 minutes.
What time is it now?
It's 9:30.
Did I miss the bus?
No, the next one is at 9:45.
How much is a ticket?
$2.50 one way.
Where can I buy a ticket?
At the machine over there.
Can I pay on the bus?
Yes, but you need exact change.
How long is the ride?
About 20 minutes.
How many stops?
7 stops to downtown.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Yes, let's get in line.
Should I signal the driver?
Yes, raise your hand.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Hi, I'm Tom.
Hello, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. How about you?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, interesting. Why are you here?
I work here now.
What's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
That's great. I want to learn English.
Really? How long have you studied?
For 6 months.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study art at the university.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Would you like to practice English?
Yes, that would be great.
We can meet for coffee.
Perfect. When?
How about Saturday?
Yes, Saturday is good.
Great, see you then.
See you. Bye. Hello?
Is this Sarah?
Yes, this is Sarah speaking.
Hi, Sarah. This is John.
Oh, hi, John. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good too, thank you.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you well.
Great. Are you busy now?
No, I'm not busy.
I'm calling about Saturday.
What about Saturday?
Can we change the time?
Sure. What time is better?
How about 3 p.m.?
Let me check. Yes, that's fine.
Perfect. Same place?
Yes, at the coffee shop.
Do you need the address?
No, I remember it.
Great. Sorry to change the time.
No problem at all.
See you on Saturday.
Yes, at 3 p.m.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome, John. Goodbye.
Bye. Have a good day. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please, sit down.
Thanks. I'm Mike.
Hi, Mike. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you, Lisa.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from here?
No, I'm from France.
Really? I love France.
Oh, have you been there?
Yes, last summer.
What did you see?
Paris and Nice.
That's wonderful. Why are you here?
I work here now.
What's your job?
I'm a chef. How about you?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study music.
That's interesting. Do you play piano?
Yes. How did you know?
I saw your music book.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love classical music.
Me too. Would you like to get coffee?
Sure. When?
How about tomorrow?
Perfect. What time?
6 p.m.?
Sounds good.
Great. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.
Excuse me. I need some help.
Yes, how can I help you?
Where is the bread section?
Aisle 3, on the right.
Thank you. Is it fresh bread?
Yes, we bake it every morning.
How much is one loaf?
$2.99 for white bread.
And whole wheat bread?
That's $3.50.
I'll take whole wheat.
Anything else?
Yes. Where's the milk?
Dairy is in aisle 5.
What kind of milk do you have?
Full fat, low fat, and skim milk.
How much is low-fat milk?
$4.25 for a gallon.
That's good. I need eggs too.
They're next to the milk.
Are they on sale?
Yes, $3.99 for a dozen.
Perfect. Where's the checkout?
At the front of the store.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me. I'm lost.
Hello. Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the library.
Oh, the city library?
Yes. Do you know it?
Yes, it's not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Listen carefully.
Okay, I'm listening.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight.
Then turn right at the bank.
Right at the bank.
Walk 1 more block.
And then
Turn left at the traffic light.
left at the traffic light.
You'll see the library there.
Is it a big building?
Yes, it's big and white.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes walking.
Can I take a bus?
Yes, bus number 5.
Where's the bus stop?
Right there across the street.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a shirt.
What size do you wear?
I wear medium.
What color would you like?
Purple or white.
Here's a nice purple shirt.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is there.
Thank you. How does it look?
It looks very good on you.
Is it too big?
No, it fits perfectly.
How much is it?
It's $35.
That's a bit expensive.
We have this white one on sale.
How much is the white one?
It's $25.
Can I try that one too?
Of course. Here you are.
I like this one better.
Yes, it looks great.
I'll take it.
Great. Cash or card?
By card, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I need to open an account.
What type of account?
A checking account, please.
Do you have ID with you?
Yes, here's my passport.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
Okay, can you help me?
Of course. What's your address?
123 Main Street.
Phone number?
555-0123.
Do you work?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
How long have you worked there?
For 2 years.
Do you want a debit card?
Yes, please.
Would you like online banking?
Yes, that would be helpful.
How much will you deposit today?
$500.
Cash or check?
Cash.
Please sign here.
Like this?
Perfect. Here's your card.
When can I use it?
Tomorrow. The PIN will come by mail.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.